Hey everybody, get ready for today's children's story. I have my very good friend Bailey joining me today as a special guest. Now, before we do anything at all, we have to think about safety first, right?
Yeah.
All right, so first we're gonna use gloves. And then we're gonna do some goggles. You have to wear these for eye protection. And then, we're going to need a lift and then a wrench. So, first thing we have to do is lift the car up. We did it!
Yeah! Now we're going to be taking off the lug nuts.
All right, now that we got the lug nuts off, now we have to take the tire off. Bailey, show us how. Yeah. Now, we're gonna place this big tire on.
Now I'm going to give him the wrench.
Thank you. And with this wrench, we're gonna tighten a little bit here. And then we're gonna re-tighten when the car's back down.
Now we're going to lower the car.
All right, so I think we're almost there.
I never laughed in this video. I never laughed in this video.
Voila! All right, now as an added bonus, now we're going to do another maintenance to the vehicle.
Let's do it.
Now we're gonna open the hood. Bailey, open the hood.
Okay. What?
Whoops, don't worry about that.
Now we're gonna add washer fluid. Bloop. What? That's not washer fluid, that's coolant.
What? Mine.
This is washer fluid, not
Where?
that.
Whoops. Okay. All right, let's go ahead and add the washer fluid now. Okay, that's enough.
Kids, every time you're doing this, always have an adult supervision. Spiritual upkeep
Requires maintenance. Maintenance is important in our spiritual lives. If we read the Bible, if we pray, and if we listen to God, we're able to avoid breakdowns. Thank you. You have a happy Sabbath, and we'll see you next time.